Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am on the floor of my filming room right now. I struggled to find a spot where I could do this in a way that you guys could see what I'm doing and I could kind of talk us through it. Today I am making a graduation gift basket. I've been teasing this for a while. We have a big graduation in my family. My baby sister is graduating high school in just a little while. And so I've bought a ton of stuff to make her a gift basket. I'm putting a bunch of different stuff together. I got her like a gift card, but I wanted to present it in a cute, fun way. And most of the stuff I'm going to show you, it came from Dollar Tree. I hauled the majority of these items a few weeks ago. I'll link that video below because I'm not going to talk through each item. I already kind of opened up each thing and showed it to you guys in that haul. So if you're interested, go and check that video out, link below. Dollar Tree had so much amazing graduation stuff this year, and so I was able to put together a really full bag of stuff. I've got, I don't even know half this stuff. I haven't looked at in a while. That reminds me, I have to grab something. We're also, I just pulled out a bag and I can tell already that my daughter has hidden some things in here. So let me organize myself. So I'm going down to see my family for the graduation, and as part of my visit down there, my sister and I are going to take a few days and go to Disney World together, just the two of us. It's one of our favorite things to do together. So I'm going to show you the gift basket that I'm making, and then I'm also doing like a little bag of graduation Mickey stuff. I'm going to show you everything. I might speed this part up so you can see this a little faster, but first I'm going to show you this, the inspiration. This looks really plain and basic, doesn't it? But it's super, super cool. This is at Dollar Tree right now. Go and check it out. This is what it's going to be is a cardboard graduation cap. So I haven't put this together yet. You and I are going to explore this together. We're going to learn what it looks like at the same time. Got some instructions here. So this is basically going to be like the holder of my gift basket, and already I can tell it's super, super cute. It's got this piece here with the little tassel. So we've got these little things. I'm just popping them, folding them up. All right, that's working. This is, I guess, gonna hold, yeah, that's gonna hold this part, I guess. Very easy to do. Folds out, and then I guess you just insert. Oh, how cute is this? This is perfect for $1. And I was a little worried about the size, that it wasn't gonna fit enough stuff, but I think I'll be able to fit plenty in there. So how cute is that? This is the little tassel. I actually might end up gluing this in place so that the tassel sits up here. But that is just an adorable little holder. Here, you know what, guys? I'm going to adjust the camera so you can see a little better. All right, I think that's a little better. You can see the box now. I have this, which is not going in the box, but I wanted to mention it. It's like a banner. It looks like a scroll. It's massive. You can unroll this. You can write a message to the graduate. So like when you're at the ceremony and you're watching from the audience, you can hold this up and they'll see you as they walk by and get their diploma. Really cute. And now I'm just going to fill it up. I'm going to just play around, see how I can get everything in there nice and organized. that's what I came up with. There's like at least 20 items in this basket, so it totally fit a ton of stuff, and I think this is such a fun presentation. It's some silly stuff, some practical stuff, but I just think it looks so festive and really celebratory of the fact that somebody's graduating. And all the filler stuff, I mean, it was so inexpensive. It's such a great presentation. I showed you there in my little activity that I included a card in here, so I'm going to pop a gift card in there, something where she can buy maybe some stuff for her dorm. This is something I bought, and I don't know where to put it in the basket, so it's on my head now. Let me see. So as I mentioned, I'm also doing a few little Disney items that I didn't put in there. Here we go. I got this little gift bag at the Dollar Tree, of course. Mickey Mouse. Super cute. And then I'm going to throw in some things that I've been collecting for our Disney trip. I've got this little hand sanitizer, and he's wearing a Mickey hat. I might even add, sounds like my daughter's up from her nap, I might add a little tassel here using some yellow yarn. I think that might be cute. And then I've got this. I totally wanted to tell you guys about this. If you don't know, when you go to Disney World, if you're celebrating something, Disney will give you these buttons for free. Like if it's your birthday, they say happy birthday. Well, there's this whole industry on Etsy where people are making these custom, and I got this graduation button for my sister. It says just graduated. I think that's perfect. I'll link that below if you guys want to check that out, because those custom buttons are so fun. And then I got this little like autograph book last time I was at Disney World. I liked it. It's kind of like basic. It's a little more grown up than some of the more childish ones. And inside I put these little graduation stickers. You guys see that? There's little like caps and diplomas. I got these for $2 on Amazon, and they were so simple. I just stuck them on. I'll link the stickers below. I think this is really fun because if we have any character meets while we're at the parks, you know, we can tell the characters we're there for her graduation, and maybe they'll write her like a special message or something. But anyway, either way, she'll always remember that that's what this was from that trip. And then there you go. I think these look really fun and festive together. I might bring my little hat for the ceremony. Let me know in the comments below if you're working on any graduation presents this week. It's such an exciting time. I have to go get my daughter. She's clearly awake. And give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Hit the red subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. Hopefully next time I won't be on the floor. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.